Bunty, hey, what's up? How are you? We know Bunty from Final Fantasy 14.
What?
What?
Do I know them?
Yeah, I think by a different name. They had a name change operation. Super tired all the time? I understand.
Same.
All right, so we're folding in a little at a time?
Mm-hmm. A third at a time.
Dump me, baby. Oh, God. That's some terrible ASMR.
We're making carrot cake. Incredibly moist and easy carrot cake.
Yeah, we're making carrot cake, and then we're going to make chicken tikka masala rice bowls. We're going to do, this is a combo event. Yo, Bunty, this is Perula that I married in Final Fantasy. Yo, so remember Kia? She gave me that big old Kisa. They gave me the big folder of.
Yeah.
That's her.
How cute.
So yeah, this is little Perula in chat. You'll hear me talk about Perula. We moved in together at the beginning of January. Perula. So yeah, we got married in Final Fantasy. Now we live together. All right, give me some more.
This is weird, man.
Hook me up.
This is super weird.
She's lovely. Oh, I know. And he moved just a few miles to do it. Yeah. I've been playing Final Fantasy Monday to Friday at 1300 Eastern for various amounts of time. I'm going to try to make that time length a little bit more consistent here moving forward. But today I had to go get some ingredients to do the cooking stream. So we're here doing carrot cake and then, of course, our dinner, which will be the chicken tikka masala bowls here in a minute. Yo, Northstar, send Nay a direct message on Discord and tell her that I'm getting ready to use her suggested item. So, when will we be done with Final Fantasy 14? So I finished the expansion story quest, Craig. But I'm going to continue to stream Final Fantasy 14 because I'm going to be doing the raid content as well as other content. So, not for a long, long while. Not for a long time. But, that being said, Craig, I'm also going to be doing other stuff in the evening, like this cooking stream. And, yeah. I've been doing a lot of Hearthstone in the evening, which seems to be pretty okay because I get to talk to you guys a lot, which makes me happy. She showed offline? Oh, yeah, no problem.
I think she's always offline.
Well, she might be... She keeps odd hours.